Welcome to Global Megabuilds. Barcelona faced a setback this week when the city council rejected their request to partially reopen the stadium. Soon after, the club issued a statement saying they remain committed to finishing the work that hasn't been approved yet. Despite the decision, Barcelona stressed they will keep moving forward until the stadium meets all safety and regulatory requirements. But what does this setback really mean for the future of Camp Nou? Will the delays push the reopening even further? And most importantly, how is Barcelona planning to overcome these challenges and deliver the stadium fans are waiting for? At the moment, Barcelona are hosting their home matches at the Johan Cruyff Stadium, including recent games against Valencia and Getafe. The venue has space for only about 6,000 fans and is usually used by the women's team. The fire department has expressed worries about evacuation routes and other safety measures, which played a role in blocking the reopening. Still, Operations Director Joan Centellas noted during a tour that being incomplete does not necessarily make the stadium unsafe. He also confirmed that the new roof, originally planned for 2026, is now expected in 2027. Deputy Mayor Laia Bonet emphasized that ensuring public safety is the City Council's top priority, which explains why permits remain suspended. With that background, let's walk through what has been happening on site. Work on the lateral stand remains intense, with crews leveling floors, installing panels, and strengthening pillars and platforms. Some columns are already filled with concrete, while others are still covered in formwork. Nearby, stacks of prefabricated stairs and structural parts are waiting to be fitted, which will make movement between levels easier. At the same time, preparations are progressing for the facade supports, which will soon carry the new exterior panels that will define the stadium's modern look. Progress can now be seen on the third tier, where the first prefabricated seating rows have arrived and are being installed in one corner. Although it's only a small section for now, this gradual process will continue corner by corner until the entire upper tier is complete, helping the stadium regain its full capacity. Meanwhile, steady work is underway at the Gol Nord end. Crews are reinforcing structures with steel bars, putting up scaffolding, and preparing for new concrete pours. Some stairways have already received permanent railings, replacing temporary ones, which marks another step toward improved stability and long-term safety. Work beneath the stadium is advancing in the parking levels, where crews are laying rebar, pouring fresh slabs, and evening out the ground. This stage is especially complex, since the space must handle vehicle access while also serving as an entry point for thousands of fans. Even if the pace looks steady rather than fast, each week brings clearer progress and structure. Around the stadium's perimeter, workers are focusing on safety measures. Barriers and New Jersey blocks are being positioned to keep pedestrians safely separated from active construction zones. This week, permits remain on hold, forcing Barcelona to keep playing home games away from Camp Nou. Construction is pressing ahead across the lateral stand, third tier, Gol Nord, and parking zones. Delays may be discouraging, but progress is clear. Step by step, the project is moving forward, bringing the stadium closer to reopening for fans. We have started a weekly series where you'll get fresh updates on the stadium's progress every single week. If you don't want to miss any detail about the Camp Nou transformation, make sure to stay connected with our channel. Thanks for watching this update. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Global Megabuilds. Stay with us each week as we bring you fresh coverage and updates on some of the biggest and most exciting stadium construction projects happening around the world.